Friends, today we are going to learn how search engine works. We believe that the user will go to the search engine and will type something there and then they will see multiple results coming up there. So it is as simple as that. However, things are not that simple. A search engine has an entire system in place and has a process that works on these three things. So those things are crawling, indexing and ranking. And today we are going to learn about these things in detail because any search engine will work in this way only. Whether it is Google or Yahoo or any other search engine, all works in the same way. So friends, this course of SEO. This course covers everything from beginner to advanced levels in depth and detail, and here we'll teach you both theoretical and practical aspects in proper manner. That's why we need to explain everything in detail so that you understand the concepts and have a solid foundation, so we'll be able to learn anything in this course easily. Along with that, it will become easy for you to implement them. So friends, first of all, you are seeing three things here: crawling, indexing and ranking. Okay, so we will understand them one by one in detail. So now first we are going to learn about crawling. What is it? So basically this is the first phase. Now friends, you know web means the World Wide Web. You know on the web there are nearly thousands, lakhs, crores and billions of websites and web pages are available in this world. Okay friends, millions and billions. Okay, and we don't know which new website is being created, or we don't know which new page is being added, or what new content is being added. So what happens there is that this process of crawling is used by the search engines. Okay, so this process is used. Now in this, the web. So crawlers, what is crawlers? Do you know? They are also called as bots or spiders. Okay, now basically what work do they do, or what is their job? So friends, now let's take the example of the Google search engine. All right. So Google sends its spiders or bots or the crawlers over the internet. Okay, and then as soon as it goes there, we see, okay, so this is the website, right? So it is the new website. New website. Or inside this website, this page, so this is a new page that has been created here. So the new content has been added to this page on this website. So basically in this way, data of all those new websites, and if new pages are added inside the websites, new content, as well as links that transport you to various pages which help them in gathering the new data also. So it is their job to visit those links or download the new websites and pages and then extract the new links from them. Okay, so that if there are any additional pages, so they can discover that. And this work continues and continues because in the world of the World Wide Web, the new content is uploaded every second, right? It's uploaded. And also the search engine's bot, which means the crawler, so it constantly keeps working on this task. It keeps working to ensure that new information continues to be received and that newer information reaches to the people. Okay, if you have to understand this in a very simple way, or if you have to understand it easily, then think by yourself that if anywhere any person is getting lot of data or is getting in a lot of other stuff. Okay, so friends, until they will not identify what is it, or until they won't check it, till then, how will they come to know that a new product has arrived today or some new items has arrived today? How will they know? So basically this is a continuous process, right? And it will always continue. And friends, it will never stop. Now we'll talk about next step. Next is indexing. So what is indexing? So friends, indexing. Okay, indexing is a process to collect all the information that is collected by the search engine, right? All the information that is collected, all right? So friends, it arranges it properly. Okay, it means indexes it. And friends, there is a library as well. So let's take the example of a library. So here, there are many shelves. Okay. At present, we have a large number of bundles of books lying here, right? So we have a large number of bundles of books lying here. Okay, so it is kept here. Now, so now you see and understand that the crawler has brought in a lot of new data. Okay, it has got new data. Now, what has he done? He has placed the book on the math shelf because it is related to math. All the books related to maths will be kept there at one place. And these books are related to science. So all these science books will come here at one place. Okay, so in this way, these books are related to history. And this is related to social science. So it included data related to that. Now the data that came, I mean the books that came, and they were categorized and were aligned according to their industry segments. Now friends, what was the benefit of this? Do you know that what was the benefit of this? If anyone goes to a library and wants to see maths book, then he or she will go to the maths section and find the books they want. Okay, so that is the same process that the crawler does. The crawler has brought in a lot of data in indexing. the search engine indexes the data in a very systematic form, right? It places this in a very organized way so that it can become very easy for anyone to access that data. It becomes very simple for anyone to access the data, right? So why people say create an SEO friendly website or create a user friendly website? Why people say this? Suppose there is any web page, and for example, let's say I have a website, and on my website there is a web page. It's www.marketingfundasglobal.com. Okay, so this is my URL. Now here I have created a new page /SEO. So now I have created a new SEO page on my website. So friends, as soon as Google crawled to it, it will go there and then index it. Then only the Google or the search engine or the users will get to know that this is a Marketing Fundas SEO page and it contains SEO related content. So friends, if we don't name our pages correctly and if we will not create their URLs properly, or if its content is not right, then our indexing will never be correct, will never be ranked. So these are basic fundamentals of running a web page or website. Because for proper indexing, you need to give the search engine the right information that this is my website and in this it is a particular page. This is related to SEO and this is related to digital marketing and this is related to website designing. And also if there is any other further category related to local SEO, so friends, that also you have to do it correctly on your website. Okay friends. So friends, the first process is that you need to have the URL structure right. Okay. Or friends, you will have to create each one of the sections very systematically that is inside your website. And all of these things you will learn in this course. Here you will not just learn on page and off page, but you will learn A to Z everything practically related to SEO. So friends, now indexing indexes things properly and also makes them very easy for use. Alright. So that people can access it quickly and easily. Now the final process, right? The final process that comes is ranking. So this is the process of ranking. Now friends, the data has arrived and it has been indexed here. Okay. Now the search engine ranks your website, right? It ranks your website and it also gives your URL a proper position. Now when someone searches something on the Google, then on the first page, apart from the top 10 paid ads, there are the top 10 websites that comes under SEO. So within that, your page might be on first page or on second page or 10th page or more than that. So guys, it basically depends on what your ranking is, okay, and what position Google has given to your URL, right? So friends, that is what we call as ranking, and it depends on many other different factors that what kind of ranking your website has been given. So it depends on that also. So on what position you are in or on what page you are. So basically all that process is learned here in this SEO. So what have I taught you in SEO? I taught you how to make your website so that your website gets more reach in audience, right? What kind of tips and tricks you need, and in what way you should perform both on-page and off-page technical activities so that your website ranks on first page of Google and you get organic traffic and your business will grow. So I hope that this small concept of how a search engine works must be clear to you friends, right? And how it involves around crawling, indexing and ranking.